basically parameters, we want to add some action to these parameters that we add to this door. And without those actions, though, basically these parameters is inactive. So before I do anything, I realized that in previous video, when I add the flip state 2, I have to flip state 2 to this side instead of the center, because what it's gonna do, what we want to do is that we're gonna hinge the door from this corner, so it's gonna be flipping to the other side. So I'm gonna move using the move tool, selecting this flip state. I'm going to use the midpoint here, and then I'm going to bring it all the way down here. So the flip side for the second flip state for the state 2 is going to be from this point. Now we're going to go to the action tab here, and you see there is a list of different action that you can use. One of the one that we want to use for this specific door type is going to be flip. So I'm going to click on the flip. First thing it asks me is that selecting the parameters. So I'm going to select the parameters 2, and then it asks me to select the object. So I'm going to go over and then selecting my door, and that will be it. See, that action is basically associated with this parameter. I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. So I'm going to select this parameter, and I'm going to select this objects, and that will be for the action for the second one. And I'm going to change this one. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to save the change to this drawing. And you see that we are back to their drawings. This is the door that I select. Basically, it's not in the right layer, so I'm going to go open up this layer, and I'm going to change that one to door. So it's going to be in the door layer. And let's see what those flip and actions basically doing. So if I click on this flip, that basically flipping the door from one side to the other. And if I flip it to the other side, that basically flip it. So it's giving me 4 different sides for the door. So let's move this over and put it in the right place. I know that, for example, for this shower, it's basically located in this side. So there is this type of door. It's gonna be, we're gonna place it right there. And let's select this door, and then start using our flip and see what's gonna happen. So basically I can adjust the door side basically by clicking on these two action parameters associated with this door. I'm gonna use copy, or I can insert the door. So I'm gonna change this layer, I'm gonna change it to door. I'm gonna go to insert, and I'm gonna go to insert block and the door, and I'm gonna place it right there. And this time, if I want to have the door open up to the other side, I can click on this, and I can leave it as it is. For the door, for the bedroom, it's going to be the same. I'm going to go to the insert, I'm going to go this one, and I'm going to select basically this side. Before do anything, I have to rotate this. So I'm going to select the door, and I'm going to rotate this one 90 degrees. I usually prefer the side of the door to be on this side, so it open up the space to this beautiful window. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on this one, and that basically open up this floor plan. What I want you to do is that basically go through this other two door type, create the door, create the parameters, associated action with that, and then try to fill up this floor plan with the different door type. You have all the different door type here. Oh, that basically this one is supposed to be door, so that's a door type number 1. So I have to go here and then delete this window, so it's not going to be a window, and finish this drawing, adding all those doors, and then we're going to get back and adding attributes to our drawing set.